Wow, Emma, this restaurant looks even nicer than the pictures online. I'm really excited to eat here.
I know, David. Look at the decor. It's so elegant and cozy at the same time. I'm glad we decided to come here for our special dinner.
Me too. It feels like the perfect place to celebrate. The atmosphere is wonderful. It smells delicious in here too.
It really does. I can already tell the food is going to be amazing. Oh, look over there, by the large windows.
I see them. The view is beautiful. You can see the entire city square from there, with all the lights starting to come on.
It's so pretty. Do you think we could get a table over there? A meal with a view like that would be absolutely perfect.
That's a great idea. It would make our evening even more memorable. When we speak to the host, I will make sure to ask.
Do you think they will have one available? We don't have a reservation. I probably should have called ahead to book one.
Let's not worry about that now. The worst they can say is no. Let's be positive. There is the host stand. Let's go and ask.
Okay, let's do it. I will keep my fingers crossed. A table by the window would be the best seat in the whole restaurant.
Good evening. We would like a table for two, please.
And if it is possible, we would love to have a table by the window. The view looks absolutely lovely from over there.
Yes, we were just admiring it. We are celebrating a special occasion tonight, so a window seat would make it extra special for us.
We don't mind which window table. Any of them would be wonderful. We just really enjoy having a nice view while we eat.
It adds so much to the experience, doesn't it? It's nice to have something to look at besides the wall.
Exactly. It feels more open and relaxing. You can watch the people walk by and see the city. It makes the dinner feel more like an event.
I agree. So we are hoping you might have one of those tables free for us this evening. We are not in a huge rush.
That's right. We are happy to wait a little while if we need to. We just have a strong preference for sitting near the window if that can be arranged.
Thank you so much for checking for us. We really appreciate you looking into it. We will just wait here.
I really hope they have one. I have a very good feeling about this place, and a window table would be the perfect start.
Oh, I see. So all of the tables by the window are occupied right now. Now that is a shame, but it is understandable. They are the best seats.
Did the host say how long the wait would be for one of them? Did she give an estimate?
Yes, she did. She said that a couple at one of the window tables has just paid their bill, so they should be leaving soon.
That's good news. So it won't be too long?
She estimates the wait will be about 20 minutes. They need time for the couple to leave and for the staff to clean and reset the table for us.
20 minutes. That's not too short, but it's not terribly long either. What do you think, David?
Well, she said she has another table available for us right now if we want it. It's in the center of the restaurant. We could be seated immediately.
A table in the center? It's probably nice, but it's not by the window. We would not have that beautiful view of the square.
That's the choice we have to make. We can eat now at a standard table, or we can wait 20 minutes for the special table we really want.
What is your feeling? Are you very hungry? Do you mind waiting?
I'm hungry, but I can wait 20 minutes. For me, the atmosphere is just as important as the food. I think the wait will be worth it. What about you?
I agree with you completely. I think we should wait. 20 minutes is a reasonable amount of time. We came here for a special experience, not just to eat quickly.
My thoughts exactly. A table in the middle of a busy restaurant can sometimes feel a bit loud and chaotic, with people walking past all the time.
A window table feels more private and intimate. It's like having your own little space. And that view is the main reason I was so excited.
Okay, then our decision is made. I will let the host know that we are happy to wait for the window table.
Great. And 20 minutes will probably go by very quickly. We can just relax and talk. It gives us more time to unwind.
That's a good way to look at it. There is no need to rush our special evening. The anticipation will make the meal even better.
I am already imagining it. Sitting there, looking at the city lights, enjoying a delicious meal. It will be so romantic and lovely.
It certainly will be. Okay, I've told the host. She thanked us for our patience and said she will come and get us as soon as the table is ready.
Perfect. Where should we wait? Is there a designated waiting area or a bar?
She pointed to that comfortable-looking lounge area over there, by the entrance. We can have a seat on one of the sofas.
That looks perfect. Let's go sit down. I'm already so glad we decided to wait. I know we made the right choice.
This is a very comfortable sofa. It's a nice place to wait. We have a good view of the whole restaurant from here.
We do. It's very busy tonight. I don't see many empty tables at all. It's clearly a very popular place.
That's usually a good sign. It means the food and service are probably excellent. People wouldn't come back if they weren't.
Look at the people sitting at the window tables. They all look so relaxed and happy. They seem to be having a wonderful time.
They do. See that table in the corner? That's the one the host said would be ours. The couple is just getting their coats on now.
Oh, perfect. So they are leaving. It's exciting to know which table will be ours. It really does have a fantastic view.
It's probably the best one. It's a corner table, so you get two different views, and it feels a bit more secluded than the others.
I really like the lighting in here. It's very soft and warm. It creates such a welcoming and romantic ambiance.
It does, and the music is nice too. It's just quiet background music. You can still have a conversation easily without needing to shout.
Everything about this place seems perfect. They've really thought about all the little details that make a restaurant great.
I agree. I am getting more and more excited about our meal. I think this is going to be one of the best dinners we've had in a long time.
Oh, the host is coming over to us. Is our table ready already? That was much faster than 20 minutes.
Hello again. Oh, that is very thoughtful of you. Thank you so much.
What did she say, David? What did she give you?
She said our table is being cleaned now, so it will just be another 5 or 10 minutes. But she brought us some menus to look at while we wait.
What a wonderful idea! That's great service. Now we can decide what we want to eat, so we will be ready to order when we sit down.
Exactly. It makes the wait feel useful. Let's see what they have. I am very curious about their main courses.
Me too. Let's start with the appetizers. Do you feel like having a starter tonight?
I think so. Since we are celebrating, let's go all out. An appetizer, a main course, and maybe even a dessert later if we have room.
I like that plan. Okay, let's look at the appetizers. Ooh, the baked brie with fig jam sounds delicious. So does the crispy calamari.
Those both sound good. I also see a classic shrimp cocktail. I am always a fan of that. It's so simple and refreshing.
That's true. Maybe we could get one appetizer to share between us. That way we don't get too full before our main courses arrive.
Sharing is a great idea. Which one would you prefer to share? I am happy with any of those three options.
If we are sharing, I think the baked brie would be a lovely choice. It's warm and savory and sweet. It seems perfect for a cozy evening.
I love that idea. Baked brie it is. Okay, appetizer decided. Now for the most important part, the main course. What are you thinking of getting?
This is always the hardest part for me. I am trying to decide between two dishes. The grilled salmon with asparagus sounds very healthy and delicious.
That does sound good. Salmon is always a great choice. What is the other dish you were considering?
The other one is the mushroom risotto. I absolutely love risotto. It's so creamy and comforting, but it can be very heavy.
I see your dilemma. One is light and healthy, and the other is rich and comforting. Both sound perfect for tonight.
What do you think I should get? You know I can be very indecisive when a menu is this good.
Wow. Think about the appetizer. The baked brie is also quite rich and cheesy. If you have that, maybe the lighter salmon would be a better balance for your main course?
That is a very good point. I hadn't thought of that. Brie, followed by risotto, might be too much richness for one meal. You are very wise.
I try my best. So, are you leaning towards the salmon now?
Yes, I think I am. Thank you for helping me decide. Now, what about you? What has caught your eye on the menu?
For me, the choice is very clear. I saw it immediately. The slow-roasted duck with cherry sauce. That sounds absolutely incredible. I have to try it. It looks like the host is waving at us. I think she is signaling that our table is ready for us.
Oh, wonderful! I am so ready. Deciding on our food has made me even hungrier. The descriptions on the menu were fantastic.
Me too. Let's go. Thank you so much. We are very excited.
That 20-minute wait went by in a flash. Having the menus to look at was such a clever way to make the time pass quickly.
It really was. I barely even noticed we were waiting. I was too busy imagining how delicious that duck is going to be.
The host is leading us over to the corner table now. Oh, David, it's even better than I thought. It's perfect.
You are right. This is definitely the best table in the restaurant. I am so glad we made the decision to wait for it.
Me too. 1,000% worth the wait. Thank you for suggesting it and for asking the host.
Of course, it was a team effort. You were the one who spotted the window seats in the first place.
Well, here we are. Let's sit down and take in the view. I feel like a very special guest right now.
We are special guests tonight. It's our celebration after all. Let's enjoy every moment of it.
Oh, wow. Please have a seat. These chairs are so comfortable. And look at the view from here. It's just breathtaking.
You are right. From here, you can see all the way down the main street. The trees are decorated with little white lights. It's magical.
It is. I am going to be staring out this window all night. It's so much better than staring at a wall.
This was absolutely the right decision. I feel so relaxed and happy here. The table is set beautifully, too. Look at the folded napkins and the little candle.
It's all just perfect. The noise from the rest of the restaurant seems so far away from our little corner. It feels very private and cozy.
I am so pleased this worked out. Sometimes it's worth being a little bit patient to get what you really want.
That is a very good life lesson. And tonight, it got us the best table. I feel like we have a little secret spot all to ourselves.
It does feel that way. And now we know for the future. If we ever come back here, we should definitely ask for this specific table again.
We should. Table number 12. I will remember that. It's our lucky table now.
I like that. Our lucky table. It has a nice ring to it. I'm feeling very grateful right now. This is a wonderful start to our evening.
Well, we've admired the view and the comfortable chairs. I suppose we should look at the menus one last time before the waiter comes.
Good idea. I want to be sure about my decision. I am still thinking about that delicious sounding salmon. Yes, my choice is final. Grilled salmon.
And I am definitely sticking with the duck. I have been dreaming about it for the last 10 minutes, and we are sharing the baked brie to start.
Perfect. We have our entire order planned out. We are very organized guests tonight.
I think someone is approaching our table now. It must be our waiter. Let's put our menus down to show that we are ready to order.
Okay, menus are down. I am ready. The whole experience so far has been 10 out of 10. From the friendly host to this incredible table.
I agree completely. The service has been exceptional, and we haven't even tasted the food yet.
I have a feeling the food is going to be just as amazing as everything else. This was a fantastic choice for our celebration.
Happy anniversary, Emma. I'm so glad we are here.
Happy anniversary, David. Me too. Good evening. We are ready to order.